How much quieter are electronic drums and acoustic drums in a church? Not theoretically, not according to a manufacturer. We measured the actual difference in our church, and the results were pretty significant. What we didn't expect is how much easier the mix became afterward. We replaced our acoustic drum set with the Roland VAD 516 electronic kit. Before swapping the kits, I wanted real numbers, so we pulled out a sound level meter, tested both kits. We measured the volume at the front and the back of the room, keeping the mics in the same place for both tests. We also used the same drummer who played at a similar intensity both times. Now, this isn't a scientific laboratory. The results will vary depending on the drummer, the room, the acoustic treatment, the drum set, the PA, and about 100 other factors. But this test tells us what happened in a real church using each setup under normal conditions. So let's start with the acoustic drums. If you're ready to buy electronic drums, you have a lot to choose from. So save yourself some time by downloading my electronic drum comparison cheat sheet using the link in the description. The acoustic kit averaged around 80 dB and peaked at 86. So now let's try the electronic kit. The electronic kit averaged 53 dB and peaked at 57. That's a difference of 27 dB, with the peaks dropping by 29. The biggest difference wasn't that the drums disappeared, it was that we gained control. With acoustic drums, the cymbals were already too loud before adding them to the sound system, so we always had to build the rest of the band around the volume that was already coming from the stage. With electronic drums, we now get to decide how loud we want it to be. I can get the cymbals just right without constantly telling the drummer to ease up. The kick drum gives us consistent energy, and the snare, wow, it finally has both punch and clarity, and that's the real benefit. It isn't simply quieter drums, it's controlled drums. There's one important warning here: electronic drums are only quieter if you make them that way. You can replace your acoustic kit, turn all the electronic drums until they're just as loud, and completely miss the point. The goal isn't to see how much drum sound your PA can produce, the goal is to create energy without forcing the entire room to compete with the uncontrolled stage volume. That doesn't automatically mean electronic drums are right for every church. In another video, I walk you through our full journey from completely unshielded acoustic drums to a partial drum shield, and then finally electronic drums. Tap the video on the screen or in the description to watch it now. It'll help you determine whether making the switch would actually solve the problems in your church.